Welcome to this tutorial on how to use Wally on Android. Wally is a personal finance app that helps you track your expenses, create a budget, and set financial goals. To get started, first download and install the Wally app from the Google Play Store. Once installed, open the app and sign up for an account by providing your email address and creating a password. After signing up, you will be prompted to add your financial accounts, such as your bank accounts, credit cards, and investments. This will allow Wally to track your expenses and provide you with a clear picture of your financial situation. You can add accounts by manually entering your account information or by linking your accounts through the app. Once your accounts are added, Wally will start tracking your expenses and categorizing them into different categories, such as food, transportation, and entertainment. You can view your expenses by category, date, or account, and you can also set budgets for each category to help you stay on track. To set a budget, go to the Budget tab and select the category you want to set a budget for. Enter the amount you want to allocate for that category and Wally will track your spending and alert you when you are getting close to your budget limit. You can also set financial goals, such as saving for a vacation or paying off debt, and Wally will help you track your progress. In addition to tracking expenses and setting budgets, Wally also provides you with detailed reports and insights into your financial situation. You can view your income and expenses, account balances, and investment performance, all in one place. This will help you make informed decisions about your finances and stay on top of your money. To get the most out of Wally, it is essential to regularly update your account information and categorize your expenses. You can also customize the app to fit your needs by setting reminders, alerts, and notifications. By following these steps and using Wally regularly, you can take control of your finances, achieve your financial goals, and improve your overall financial well-being.